Are you ready? Let's go. You're going out tonight.
Tackle two things at once with Flex Mode, like watching a video and messaging friends. Or set it down, go hands-free, and get more done. With water resistance, it's as reliable as it is sleek and smart. A fully functional 6.2-inch screen when folded becomes an immersive 7.6-inch screen when unfolded. A nearly invisible under-display camera paired with a high-speed processor and a long-lasting battery means high-quality gaming. Pocket-sized phone, tablet-sized experience. S Pen helps you be more productive. Easily take notes while you're on a hands-free video call with Flex Mode. Write with the familiar pen-to-paper feeling, and quickly transform handwriting into text. S Pen and Flex Mode give you the power to work your way, anywhere. Maximize productivity with more screen. Use multi-window to open 3 windows at once and quickly compare side by side, resize, rearrange, and easily drag and drop content from one app to another. Flex Mode lets you tackle 2 things at once, like watching a video and messaging friends. This compact phone is built with a firm frame and is water and scratch resistant to take on the day. Use your S Pen to help you be more productive. Write with the familiar pen-to-paper feeling and transform handwriting. With multi-window view, doing different tasks is easy. New taskbar placement makes side-by-side app comparisons fast. Have up to 3 windows open at once. Resize and rearrange. Drag and drop content from one app to another. More screen, more doing.